We're here at 50 North 5th Street in downtown Reading, Pennsylvania. Check these out. We have some old Otis elevators to ride that unfortunately got modernized. We have this one to ride. Going down, sir?
No, going up.
I'm going down, sorry. Got a B. This is older innovation, looks like. Flip to 5. Door post does not work. They're all 5. I like how they kept the original lantern back when it was an Otis. I was like that too. Far away. There's your old Otis logo. Let's try to get the other elevator. Let's see if we get the right elevator. And here's this car. Yeah, I just like that lantern. It's really cool. Gonna be nice bell. One is modernized by Montgomery, because that bell in that car definitely sounds like a Montgomery bell. Anyways, despite the mod, these are pretty cool elevators. There it goes, and there's your Christmas tree for the holidays, and that will be it.